Let's solve one previous question of mathematical logic. This question was asked in GATE CS 2015 set 2 question number 3. Consider the following two statements. First statement S1, if a candidate is known to be corrupt, then he will not be elected. Statement 2, if a candidate is kind, he will elected. Which one of the following statement follow from S1 and S2 as per sound interface rule of logic? And 4 options are given. Let me take some propositional variable like C for candidate is corrupt, E for he will be elected, and K for candidate is kind. Now statement 1 I can write, if candidate is known to be corrupt, then he will not be elected. So C implies negation of E. And we know P implies Q, that we can write as negation P or Q. So this C implies negation E, we can write as negation C or negation of E. Now statement 2, if candidate is kind, he will be elected. So K implies E. K for candidate is kind and E for he will be elected. K implies E, that we can write as negation of K or E according to this. Now we can use the resolution rule of inference. According to this, if P or Q is true and negation P or R is true, implies Q or R will be true. So P or Q true, negation P or R true, then Q or R will be true. It's according to resolution. And here we found negation C or negation E and negation K or E. So from both we can conclude that negation of C or negation of K. Here mark P, negation P. So we are excluding these two, P, negation P. Conclusion is Q or R. Here negation E, E will exclude this E and negation E. Conclusion will be negation C or negation K according to resolution. So negation C or negation K, if you want to write in form of implication, we can write C implies negation K or K implies negation C, as OR is commutative. So negation C or negation K, that we can write as C implies negation K, and negation K or negation C, that we can write as K implies negation C. Both are same. For C implies negation K or K implies negation C. Let's check each option. Let me write each option in implication format. Option A, if a person is known to be corrupt, he is kind. So if he is corrupt, he is kind means C implies K. Next option B, if a person is not known to be corrupt, means negation C, then he is not kind, implies negation K. Then option C, if a person is kind, K implies he is not known to be corrupt, so implies negation C. Next option D, if a person is not kind, so negation K implies he is not known to be corrupt, negation C. Now check which one is matching with any one of these. So it's K implies negation C. It's present in option C. So answer will be option C. If a person is kind, he is not known to be corrupt. So from these two statements, S1 and S2, we conclude that if a person is kind, he is not known to be corrupt. We used resolution rule of inference. I already discussed all rule of inference. Just go through rule of inference lecture. And if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.